Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to pin any message in WhatsApp group chat. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To pin a message in a WhatsApp group chat on your device, using the stored option, follow these steps. Step 1. Unlock or open your iPhone and launch the WhatsApp. Now go to the message section, untap on the group chat or you want to start the message. Scroll through the chart until you find the message you want to start. Press and hold the message you want to start. After a moment, a menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. In the menu, look for a star icon, usually represented by a star, and tap on it. This action will start the selected message. Step 6. Now go ahead and tap on the group name, and once there, tap on the starred message. The starred message will now be saved in this section, making it easily accessible for all members of the group. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.